In this video, I'm going to show you how to create collections in Shopify using your mobile phone. So once you open your Shopify, click on the tag icon at the bottom, and then you will see the section homepage. So this is your default collections. So just go ahead and edit that one. And then you can now start editing your collection. So for example, my collection is for crochet. So just go ahead and type in crochet. And then for description, homemade or pre-order, whatever you want. And then on the product section, you can now add all the crochet products that you have on your online store or shop. Just select an item that you want to add to your collections. And then to save the changes you've made, just go ahead and tap the check icon on the upper right. And you can now create a new collections again. So for example, t-shirts. So just repeat the process that we've made. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.